Hello, this is Ernan over at Biggs Harley Davidson, San Marcos, California. Here is a 2023 Street Glide ST in white, LED front headlight, trimmed front fender with bronze wheels, Brembo brakes, dual disc, Milwaukee Gate 117 in a black finish. This bike is gorgeous. Awesome bike to go cross country or just tear up the canyons. It is also equipped with the RERS system, which gives you traction control, enhanced cornering, ABS, hill start assist, tire pressure monitor. Is equipped with navigation. Come on down to Biggs Harley Davidson, San Marcos, California. Take a test ride, see what you think.